comedians
I appreciate my
in the
wife.
United States of America and across the world. Let me tell you something, this young fly. You're talented, you're natural, you're gifted.
But in the beginning, he was terrific, and things just started to go south from there.
Oh my God.
It's incredible. That's so
Yeah.
cool. Let me look at some other things here. Let's see here. We talked about your website. You talked about you don't really do astrology though. That's not your thing.
I'm not into astrology now.
Is it not real? Is it?
Tell him I said he's not ready.
Not the first.
Way where I can't remember what I had for dinner last night, but I can tell you.
He said, young fly.
Just something. I want to talk about something. I don't want to talk about that really anymore. I'm going to move on.
Okay, that's
A bead. It's a type of bead, but it permeates a certain smell. It's just
Smashing the syndicates of criminals.
When someone's dramatically funny, like Tommy Lee Jones.
The judges at that point, but some of the guys that we were.
Maybe you had a speech impediment. I wasn't sure what Gacy was.
What was that like? Can you
And here I am, but
Kitchen, and I need Mr. Woodchuck.
with darkness and light, it has to be sensitive.
it's not a show.